Hey guys, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to vlog my day. Honestly, there's no typical day in the life. Every day is pretty different and I just got up and got ready for the day. I'm gonna go meet my friend Alyssa at a coffee shop and we're gonna list together. She also sells on Poshmark and eBay and it's fun sometimes working with someone else. Also getting out of the house, I just feel a lot more productive. So let's go ahead and get our day started. I have my outfit of the day and I dress pretty casual like 90% of the time. So I have on this Grateful Dead tee. I love this shirt. It's by Junk Food, which is one of my favorite brands. And then I have on just some distressed Madewell jeans and then these Vans I got recently, which are super comfortable. I love these. So yeah, that is the look of the day. And it's time to do shipping. I normally do my shipping like first thing in the morning because I just don't like putting it off. I like to go ahead and get it out of the way. But since I went ahead and got coffee and listed this morning, now it is time to do my shipping. So I'm gonna print out all my labels and write down everything I need to pull from inventory. I kind of have a temporary inventory set up right now. Everything's like in a different area than it normally is. So I gotta get everything ready to be shipped out and then take it to the post office. So let's go ahead and get that done. So if you were wondering what that growling in the background was, it is my dog Macon. He's obsessed with this little bunny toy and yeah, that was him attacking it. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I feel like I've had a pretty productive day so far. I got some listings up, did my shipping, just dropped that off, and then I'm actually about to get my nails done and take a little break because I've been putting it off and they're just driving me nuts. They're way too long, so I'm gonna go get that done and then I'm gonna go home and get some more work done. This is the before, and I'm so sad because I just found out that my nail lady has moved to South Carolina, so she did this awesome ombre nail for me. I'm probably just gonna get something pretty plain this time. So yeah, I'll show you when I'm finished. Just got done with my nails and I really like how they came out. Definitely a lot shorter, which I needed because I felt like I could not work anymore. But yeah, just a pretty bright purpley blue color. So I'm back home now and I'm going to film a quick YouTube video. I think I'm just gonna do a what sold video and talk a little bit about my recent Poshmark sales. So I'm gonna do that. And then I think I'm gonna take a few pictures and then I think I'll be done for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down. You can watch me film. Some stuff tonight, but I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put that off until tomorrow. It's about 6 o'clock now. I'll probably share my Poshmark closet one more time tonight, edit the video that I just filmed, and then call it a night. No day is ever the same. If you guys like seeing vlog style videos or day in the life, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below. I can definitely do more of these. I kind of like it. It was kind of fun just taking you along with me. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and you want to see more videos. Hit the subscribe button, the little bell, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.